We might die today.
Use your head, bro.
Just give me it.
It's not gonna fall. It's gonna come down like a freaking.
Just give me 1 second. Okay, so this is what we're wrestling with today. Okay, so we're up on the roof. Again. I got these two dodos with me. Where are you on? So this right here.
They're not our trees. They're not their trees.
We got to take this fucking thing down, and it is Sunday. I'm not gonna lie to you. We'd like to have a couple pops when we're working on the weekends. Shut up! I'm trying to talk to people. Okay, so what we're gonna do is Dan's holding the rope. Billy's yelling at me because I'm not finishing up the skylights because he wants to take down the fucking tower. Which he can if you want, Will. I'll do this. Come on up here.
What? Okay, let's get this shit done.
Okay, we're gonna take down the tower. Stay tuned, or are you gonna watch it tip over, okay? This is gonna be fucking great. So we got the rope. We got the rope hooked up there. Billy Bullets. Billy Bullets is coming up.
Will, get up there.
Shut
Come on,
the-
man. Stop documenting yourself, bro.
It's going down. It's going down right now.
gotta test it.
Will! Yeah, it's better to cut it at the roof line. Because when my brother's pulling on the rope, if something messes up, you're hanging on a tower. You don't have an escape route. You gotta be safe. We might die today.
Use your head, bro. Hey, hey.
Yeah, buddy. You fucking dodo. What the hell? Oh my god.
1 second.
Oh, it's working. Pull her off that tree. That's a protected. Oh, that's a protected species. Go this way. There you go. Good job, Will. Good job. That's great. Complete.
Infinity.
Okay. Hit the trough.
Hold on a second. Wait.
Yeah, he's gonna move that.
That's only a piece of plastic.
Doesn't matter. It's not ours.
Good job, Dan.
I'm gonna cut you in the foot, right?
Yeah. Alright. Good job. Okay, let's get this closed in so we can get the fuck out of here, man.
Just don't get it.
Push the truck. Yeah, I do. Stuck in the bottom of it. You know what you should say? You're fucking dead. I don't care. You're not gonna get shot. Somebody fucking get you shot. And now I need your arms. Pull down. Back up. Pull it down. Yeah, we need this out.
Need some muscles now,
Yeah,
right?
we do. I need your muscles, motherfucker.
It's probably concreted in, man.
We're stronger than concrete, though.
Yeah, not me.
Yeah, we got leverage.
You never bet.
Just dumped the whole fucking bucket.
What are you doing, man?
I'm trying to get it out of the ground there.
We'll stop
Captain
fucking
Obvious.
rushing shit. Take it easy, fucking listen.
You pull it out of the ground.
What?
Look what you did. Look what you did. You wrecked it.
Relax.
He handle hot stuff, right? So I got him a whole shot glass with a habanero sauce. Do it, Dan.
No fucking problem.
I want you to lick the bowl. Lick the bowl. Lick it. You're fucked. What were you saying about no problem, Dan?
I got it.
You got it? You want your taco? You want your taco, Dan? Is your taco good? Barbarito's good, man.
I didn't get that. You can say USB, navigation, serial,
You alright, bro?
travel link. If the phone is connected, you can say home.
Here, eat your taco. It's got bread in it. It'll soak up the hotness.
Say AM.
It'll soak up the hotness.
Navigation.
Don't.
Seasonal.
You going blind? Because that person that ate the ghost pepper, he went blind, but then he got his vision back. He'll be okay.
Do you want a hose?
Come on! Let's get the fucking job done, man.
How about we take you home first?
After a half an hour, it'll go away, Dan.
Fuck!
Or you're gonna die.
Dan, you good with that? So my brother hates my guts right now. After I did the habanero test on him, I told him all us roofers do it. We don't really do that shit. He didn't know that. But anyways, we're all done here. We're all gonna jump in the truck when we're done after we get cleaned up. Grab a case of beer, and then we're gonna go estimate another roof. So probably only one more quick segment. Complete!